Hi there, just a quick video on what I've been doing today and an update for Monday. I'll probably need a bit of help or another pair of eyes on it. So one of the issues that we had was that the attributes, when they were being created, the terms weren't being held against or being set up against some of these obscure names. So I've been looking at it and we've had some issues because I think it doesn't like brackets and slashes and stuff. What you notice when it creates it with a hyphen. So if we look at the web data sheet, you can see they've got all these attributes here that have got like slashes in and stuff like that. So it's kind of a bit of a data issue. I've rewritten the add attributes into a separate function, and I've had to put a chunk of code in that, because when we do this here, WC create attribute args, that actually gets rid of all these other characters. So I've actually put a fix in to try and strip out the odd characters and stuff before we create it, and that seems to work. It's not perfect because if any new attributes come in, then we're going to have a problem. So yeah, I've been working on that today, and the attributes have gone in, and I tested them on a couple of single ones, set up the product filter for for one of the attributes, and it seems to be coming in okay. The issue, one of the issues that I've had though, is also, I don't know if you can see this, but basically the when we were trundling through creating, it got to remaining 1199 and then bar bombed out, and I ran it again, and it's clever. It's smart because it picks up from where it took off, you know, where it bombed out, and then it said processing 500 remaining, and then it's bombed out again, and then I ran it, I clicked it again, and then it got through the final set. So I've had to click the button 3 times in order to get it to work. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I don't know, Simon, whether you can help. Maybe, or I think we need a bit of error. There might be some error logging somewhere, but I don't know. But it's something that we need to look at, because obviously if you're doing this from a cron job, it might be different, but I don't know. But just to show you, I hope this works. So this was one of the products that wasn't getting the attributes. So so if I go in here now, I really do hope that this has the attribute set against it. Attributes. So yeah, you can see that the attributes have come in and have been set against the products now, which they weren't before. So it is hanging together just about, but I've had to bodge it a bit, and I'm not sure if this is the best way of doing it. We might be better off, I don't know, or just not, it's late in the day now, we might be better off just attempting to create the attribute with the sort of, you know, uncleaned up version of the name, and then see if we can get it back somehow. So we're always dealing with what WooCommerce thinks it should be. But any rate, we might need to put this into a config file or into an array in the config file, and just be mindful of that you know, attribute names are a bit of an issue. But like I say, the filter was set up, and it does seem to be working on the filter. I'm going to work more on Monday on the filter, to see if I can just filter all of these attributes. But yeah, it's kind of, they want to go live, so there's just some issues with that. But there is some progress there. So that's what I've done. So the file that I've worked in is Woo eConnect products, and it's the function add attributes. Okay, thanks.